Welcome to our channel. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the BYD Seal Standard, a groundbreaking electric vehicle that's redefining innovation, performance, and design. BYD has long been synonymous with electric excellence, and the Seal Standard is no exception. With its aerodynamic lines, bold styling, and futuristic touches, this model effortlessly blends elegance with functionality. It's not just a car, it's a statement of modern mobility. Step inside to experience a cabin designed for both comfort and connectivity. The minimalist yet refined interior boasts high-quality materials, an intuitive infotainment system, and smart connectivity options that keep you in control and connected, whether you're on a quick errand or a long road trip. The BYD Seal Standard is powered by an advanced electric motor and state-of-the-art battery technology. This combination delivers impressive acceleration and a remarkable driving range, all while maintaining eco-friendly credentials that help reduce your carbon footprint. But it's not just about performance. Safety and practicality are at the forefront. With a suite of advanced safety features and ample cargo space, the Seal Standard is engineered to ensure every journey is smooth, secure, and hassle-free. In summary, the BYD Seal Standard is more than an electric vehicle. It's a vision of the future, blending style, performance, and sustainability into one compelling package. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, an eco-conscious driver, or simply in search of a dynamic ride, this model is poised to impress. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more exciting updates. See you.